It is day 4 at the cross-dressing salon, where today I am doing some cutting in. But first let me show you my pink dressing table, which I've had for years. I've started sanding. As you can see, it's got red on it, which was the colour when I first bought it in the UK. So I've just been going over this a little, and I did borrow a sander from a friend, so that's great. I will be doing this outside, obviously, and yeah, it's coming along. But first let me show you what I have been doing. So I've noticed there were some holes on the ceiling, and I didn't want to ignore those because they would have bothered me. As you can see, those cables coming down. Obviously the owners had hooks up here and the cables were hanging off them, but those cables are coming down. I filled in the holes, and now it's time for some sanding. As you can see, I have another sexy outfit. Today I went for my tights and a pink pencil skirt and a nice flannelette shirt, which kept me nice and warm. Totally recommend it. Yeah, let's go on to the next one. I was getting a little bit hot. Unfortunately, I can't open these windows. As you can see, I am locked in with those bars. But yeah, so I just continued sanding these little holes. It didn't take me very long because they were only quite small. And let me show you what I've been doing here. So here I have started with the cutting in with the undercoat. On my left hand side is a very large metal, well not metal, steel beam. It is a warehouse. So I have to be very careful not to get any paint on that. The wall on my right, that will be white, so I'm actually not worried about making a mess there. What I do have to be careful with is the black beam there. I will be trying very hard not to give any white paint, because the last thing I want to be doing is trying to clean it all up. And yeah, so this will take me a while, and I will speed it up, as I'm sure you don't want to watch it all. It's not that exciting. And I'll pop some music on for you for your entertainment, and I will be back. Okay, so I'm being very careful here, and I do have to apologise if you do hear a bit of a funny humming noise. My computer makes noises and it comes through the microphone. So I will continue on with this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.